If we continuing that the same topic which we have started previously about programming, so I was telling you something about PC Basic. We have started learning two methods of getting outputs. The very first one was about direct method of getting prints, and after that I told you about something about the list option, which is indirect method of getting outputs. So we'll be continuing that indirect method of making our programs and getting their results. As it's listing, so we need to mention proper line numbers in each line. First of all, I have given the line number 10, and then I'll be writing remarks. Rem. Rem is about the remarks which you give to your program, like remarks about your programs, what this program is going to do. So, remarks to print the sum of, as it's about the getting sum of two numbers. So I'll be giving it remarks to print the sum of two numbers. Just like that, pressing enter, the cursor is moving on to the next line. I'll be giving line number 20 over here, and then the first thing which you need to notice is let. Let is a command to write it in capital words, and it's up to you. You can just give some space. A equals 15. Like I'm giving 15 number to this A. A is the variable and 15 is the value. You are giving this value of 15 number to this variable A. You are assigning value 15 to your variable, which is A. Then enter 30, 30, and then we are having variable B. I'm giving it some other value that might be 10 or something else, whatever of your choice. Now, line 40. You need to keep on mentioning the line numbers whenever you are moving on ahead. Let sum. Sum is the total of these two numbers, these two variables, like A plus B. You want to have your sum of two variables which were A and B. You need to add them up. What you are going to do is just having sum of those two numbers. Now I'll be getting the output, which is the print. Before that you need to get the line number, which is 50. Then I'll be writing print after space. Whatever I'm writing in these inverted commas, you can see it as such over there in the result. Like I have written inverted commas open, sum is inverted commas close. It will be printed as such. You can see that. Like line 60 will be the end of your program. So that's it. This is the whole program. This is the way of making small programs. First of all, we have remarked whatever the program is going to do for us. Then we have assigned values to the variables and then adding them up, and print. Definitely printing is the thing which you will be looking into output. This is indirect method. You have not seen the result so far. So whenever I'm pressing F2 for the run key, it will be running for you. F2, sum is 25. The thing which we have written inside in these inverted commas is printed over here as such. Sum is, and it has calculated the sum for you. You can see it in front of you. So this was the command. Um, Previously I told you about the CLS command. Similarly, there is list command which we have used today. CLS is clearing the screen for you, and load command loads this program for you if as it is indirect method and it's been saved in your memory by itself. Whenever you are using it and you want the same program next time, you will be just loading this command. They will be giving command load and it will be there for you. Saving command saves your programs, run commands runs it, and shortcut key I told you. F2 is the shortcut key for that. And F4 key is used to save the program. So that's all about basic programming. Of adding two numbers, we have just written a program, simple small program of adding two numbers, giving them the variables, assigning them the values, and adding them up. That was indirect method of getting outputs by listing commands. Bookwork of chapter 6, write by 3. All 6 questions. Thank you so much.